Hi, you guys. West Street Video Electric Lighting Plan. We're taking a look now at the spreadsheet. The first grade in area, very first line item says 2x4, 3-tube fluorescent with electronic ballast. Those are the light fixtures that they're talking about. So there's a couple, I would just count these. I've got six rows in this column. So 6 times 3, 4, 5, 6 is 36. 36 and 6 is 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and 48. So it looks like we have 48 fixtures. Those are 3-tube with electronic ballast. And then it's asking us for 40 watt T8 fluorescent bulbs. And those are the bulbs that go in these light fixtures. So if each fixture holds 3 tubes, I've got to just take 48 and multiply it by 3. So, 48 by 3 is going to give us the number of T8 fluorescent bulbs. And then the next item on the list is 300 watt metal halide wall fixtures. So again, those 300 watt fixtures, they're on the outside, right? So I already know I've got a total of 6 of these guys. So I've got 6 of those fixtures. And then 300 watt metal halide bulbs. So there's only one bulb in each of those fixtures. So you'll have 6 bulbs. Astronomical timer dual circuit. So that's going to be a dusk to dawn that is connected to the circuits. Both those circuits, it's a dual circuit type of timer. So there's going to be one of those. The UPS, there's one of those. And you've already got these quantities. So let's go down to, what about the metal lighting box in the masonry? The lighting box in the masonry. How many of those? So that's your next one. And then under power, if you go down further in the list, metal single gang boxes. So I've got to get off this sheet. Let's go to the power plan next. And it says metal single gang boxes. So what you would have to do is go through and count all these up. And whatever that number is, here's your duplex outlet. These are going to be all metal boxes because the wiring's in conduit. So you have to count that symbol up, and that will tell you how many there are. What about floor outlets here? I don't recall seeing any floor outlets, but I'm going to bet you that they are here somewhere, right? So you've got floor outlets here. Decor outlets, decorative outlets, decor outlet covers, decorative outlets. I don't know. Boy. Decorative outlets are going to be typical. They're going to be like the covers that are exposed out here. That's what those are. So those are the decorative outlets, and then there's going to be a cover that goes on those. So if you look at the outlets in your house, that's what they're talking about. It's a decorative outlet. It's a color, which is white, and then there's a plastic cover that goes over it. What about decorative waterproof covers? Decorative waterproof covers, or is there anything outside or that is in a wet location? Probably in here, right? So I would say maybe there's 2 of those, right? So junction boxes with covers. Do we have any junction boxes with covers? Junction boxes. I don't know. I'll give you a hint on this one because I don't know. Here's the J box. If I go down here, J box. So I'm having a hard time here. So I think that the junction boxes are going to be at the same locations as the duplex outlet. They would have to be. And sometimes you'll see just junction boxes. Now let's hang on here a second before I get ahead of myself. I'm going to go back up to the lighting plan. There should be junction boxes mounted up here for these light fixtures, up above the ceiling. But I'm not seeing them on this plan. Junction boxes. I don't know about that one unless. Junction boxes with covers. I don't know. 30 amp disconnect. So on the roof, I know I've got two 30 amp circuits, and that's number what on the roof, 25 and 26, and 24, 23 and 24, 25 and 26. So those are 30 amp. I bet if rooftop units, those are 30 amp disconnects. Those are your only 30 amps on the panel. So you're going to have two of those. And I'm just going to give you the junction box with cover. They have listed here as 34. So hopefully that helps you guys out. And that should cover all of the gray areas on this. That's not bad. If you have any questions on this, go ahead and light up that discussion panel, and we'll see what we can do to help. Thanks.